Stop the scroll. Are you drowning in make money with AI videos promising easy riches, only to find yourself more confused and broke than ever? If you've tried the step-by-step guru AI income tutorials and ended up feeling like you missed a secret memo, you're not alone. In fact, most people fail when following these methods, and it's not because you're not smart enough or working hard enough. The truth is, those gurus are strategically leaving out the most critical piece of the puzzle. They're showing you what they did, but they're not revealing why it worked for them and why it probably won't work for you, yet. Think about it. For every person flashing a screenshot of their AI earnings, there are hundreds, if not thousands, who bought the same course, watched the same videos, and got nothing. Zero. Crickets. Want to know why? Because they skipped the most important part of any successful AI venture. Here's the dirty little secret. Those shiny step-by-step tutorials work best for someone who already has a foundational understanding of market needs, their own skills, and how to connect the two. They don't just follow steps, they strategically choose which steps to follow based on a deeper insight. That guru making $10,000 with AI content? They likely already had a massive social media following or deep expertise in content creation before AI amplified it. They're showing you their successful project, which doesn't automatically become your successful project just because you mimic it. It's like trying to wear someone else's shoes. They might look great, but they won't fit. AI is incredible, but it's a lever, not the engine. You still need an engine, a problem to solve, a skill to apply, and a market to serve. So, how do you stop wasting your precious time and hard-earned money on methods that are doomed to fail you? You need to ask yourself 3 powerful questions before you even think about trying another AI income tutorial. Question 1. What problem am I uniquely positioned to solve, or what value can I uniquely create? This is about you. What are your existing skills, your passions, your network, your unique perspective? AI can't invent this for you. It can only accelerate it. Your superpower is the fuel. AI is the rocket booster. Question 2. Who desperately needs this problem solved, and are they willing to pay for it? This is market research, plain and simple. Who has the pain that your unique value can alleviate? The market will tell you what it wants. AI makes solving those problems faster and cheaper, but only if the problem exists. Question 3. How can AI amplify my unique value to solve their desperate problem more effectively than traditional methods? Now you bring in AI. AI isn't the business idea. It's an incredible tool to execute your business idea. Only once you know your why and your who should you explore the how-to with AI tools. Most step-by-step tutorials fail because they start at question 3 or even later. They treat AI as the answer when it's really the accelerator to an answer you should already be formulating. By flipping the script, you transform into an AI-powered problem solver. Ready to stop the endless scroll and start building an AI income stream that actually works for you? I've put together a free automated income lab checklist that walks you through these 3 critical questions. No fluff, just actionable steps. Go download your free checklist right now at automatedincomelab.com. Don't be another statistic of failed AI promises. Equip yourself with the strategic thinking necessary to truly leverage AI. That's automatedincomelab.com. Click the link in the description. You got this.